Waithaka wa Jane nĩ ahũrĩtwo nĩ kĩeha kĩnene mũno mwena wa Qatar na nĩ akorwo akĩingĩra nenda-inĩ ciake cia ũkinyanĩria na gũkorwo agĩshare the sad news na oho kũhoya ũrekeri kũrĩ mafans ake mũno mũno a mwena wa Qatar. Waithaka wa Jane left the country for his Mugithi show where he was set to perform in Qatar. Na rĩu nĩ acokete akaumbũra atĩ maũndũ matinathiĩ wega, kũndũ rĩu ahoete ũrekeri kũrĩ mafans ake a mwena wa Qatar arĩa mareyumĩrĩtie. Waithaka akiuga atĩ it was not his doing na in fact it was beyond his control. Waithaka wa Jane nĩ aumbũrĩte atĩ show yake mwena wa Qatar nĩ ĩrakorirwo ĩgĩkanjwo, ũndũ ũrĩa ũmũtigĩte na kĩeha kĩnene mũno, kuona atĩ nĩ arakorirwo akĩ-disappoint mafans ake, no nĩ amatarĩirie wega na akauga atĩ it is something that he had no control of, na akauga atĩ the cancellation of the show was because the promoter who was promoting the show the person who was in charge of securing all the necessary and required permits nigetha Waithaka wa Jane akorwo akĩhota gũ-perform nĩ arakorirwo agĩmũconora. He did not acquire all the permits, ndanakorwo agĩ-secure all the necessary permits, na which led to the show being cancelled. Show ĩragĩkorwo ĩgĩkanjwo na in the last minute. The fans were already ready for the show, nĩ mararĩ prepared, ready for Waithaka wa Jane, and also Waithaka wa Jane was ready to get on stage na akorwo agĩcanjamũra mafans ake, but sadly things did not go as planned. The show was cancelled na Waithaka wa Jane nĩ acakaĩte ndeto ici mũno akiuga he feels so sorry and regrets everything that happened, tondũ this is a disappointment to his fans, na akauga he is deeply sorry na akaumbũra nginya he is so heartbroken for disappointing his fans na akamuhoya ũrekeri. And he has penned this apology letter to them akiuga, to my dear Qatar fans, I am sincerely heartbroken and very sorry for yesterday's inconveniences caused. The promoter did not secure all permits needed for the show, which forced its cancellation at the last minute. It's a regrettable experience. I hope to see you some other time. Dubai, thanks for the much love. Nyinyi ni wa nguvu sana. Waithaka wa Jane akiuga atĩ this is not the end. Nĩ egũbanga show ĩngĩ nigetha akorwo agĩ-compensate mafans ake a mwena wa Qatar, but the Dubai show went well. But the Qatar show was cancelled. Now he sincerely and deeply apologizes to all his fans, all the Qatar, arĩa othe marerĩgĩrĩire gũkorwo makĩona Waithaka wa Jane performing. It did not go as planned. Now it was something that was beyond his control. Na akamahoya ũrekeri mũno. Na ndũgakĩriganĩrwo gũ-subscribe for the latest and trending Kikuyu celebrity news. Never miss an update. Subscribe now.